In this quick 3-minute tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to review and archive completed projects efficiently and effectively so that you can stay organized and always have easy access to important materials when you need them. First, let's talk about reviewing completed projects. This is the stage where you assess the work done, making sure everything is finalized. You'll want to check if all deliverables are met according to your initial goals. Did you hit the key milestones? Are there any loose ends that need wrapping up? If everything checks out, it's time to move to the archiving process. When archiving completed projects, the key is organization. Start by naming files clearly, using consistent and descriptive titles. It's important to include the project name, date, and any version information, so you can always track what you've worked on and when. After naming your files, it's time to store them in the right place. Use a reliable software or cloud storage to keep everything safe and easy to find. One thing I recommend is using folders within your cloud software or our software to categorize projects. For example, you can create folders by project type or by client name, depending on your workflow. This structure will make it much easier to locate the right files later on. Now, while you're at it, make sure you're creating backups of these files. Store your archives in multiple locations, so if something goes wrong with one, you still have access to your materials. I recommend using both cloud storage and external hard drives as your backup solutions. When you've stored your files, it's time for one last step: documenting key project details. Take a moment to note any lessons learned, challenges you faced, or future steps. This can be done in a project summary document or notes section within your software. It's easy to forget these details, but when you come back to the project months or years later, this documentation can be incredibly valuable. As for the software we'll be using today, it helps streamline the review and archiving process. I've tested a few options, and this one stands out for its simplicity and ease of use. If you want to follow along, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: to efficiently review and archive completed projects, ensure all deliverables are finalized, name files consistently, store them in an organized manner, create backups, and document key details. This simple system will help you keep your projects well organized and easily accessible, no matter when you need them. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.